Welcome back. Today I will be doing something I promised at the end of my very first video. Show you how to get more views on your YouTube channel. We will go over 15 different ways to get more views. For the sake of saving time, I will be keeping this video pretty short. So let's get right into it then. First on the list is optimize titles and thumbnails. For the best results, create catchy, descriptive titles and eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video content and entice viewers to click. Next is to use SEO techniques. Incorporate relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags to improve searchability and visibility on YouTube's search engine. Keep all your metadata similar. Third, create high-quality content. Focus on producing engaging, valuable, and high-quality videos that resonate with your target audience. Quality content tends to attract more viewers and encourages longer watch times. Fourth, post consistently. Establish a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and returning for new content. Regular posting can improve your channel's visibility and attract more subscribers. 5. Promote across platforms. Share your videos on social media platforms, forums, blogs, and relevant communities to reach a broader audience and encourage viewership. Make your footprint bigger across the web. 6. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche through guest appearances, collaborations, or shoutouts to tap into their audience and gain exposure. 7th on the list. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage discussions to build a community around your channel. Engaging with your audience can foster loyalty and increase watch time. 8th. Create playlists. Organize your videos into playlists based on themes or topics. Playlists can increase watch time as viewers continue watching videos in the same category. Number 9 is utilize end screens and cards. Use YouTube's end screens and cards feature to suggest other videos or playlists to encourage viewers to keep watching more of your content. 11. Add call to actions, CTAs. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and share your videos. Including clear CTAs prompts viewers to take action, which can improve engagement and visibility. 10th. Optimize video length. Analyze your audience's preferences and experiment with video lengths. While some content might perform better as shorter, punchier videos, others might benefit from more in-depth, longer formats. 12. Optimize for mobile viewing. Ensure your videos are mobile-friendly since a significant portion of YouTube's traffic comes from mobile devices. Check that your content is easily viewable on various screen sizes. 13th. Use eye-catching video openers. Capture viewers' attention in the first few seconds of your video. A compelling intro can hook viewers and encourage them to keep watching. 14th. Run YouTube ads. Consider running YouTube ads to promote your videos and reach a broader audience. YouTube offers various ad formats tailored to different objectives and budgets. And last, number 15. Monitor analytics and refine strategy. Regularly review YouTube analytics to understand what works best for your channel. Adapt your content strategy based on metrics such as watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources. Implementing these strategies consistently, while continually refining your approach based on audience feedback and analytics will contribute significantly to increasing views and growing your YouTube channel. Stay tuned, or subscribe to this channel for more videos about how to make money online. There will be new videos being released in the coming days and weeks. Thank you for watching.